Hi, so in this video, I want to talk about using delays, reverbs to enhance your tracks. Now, settings aren't important. Here's what I mean. I'm not going to focus too much on the types of delays that I'm using. For example, if I'm using a quarter note delay, an eighth note delay, that doesn't matter because you're going to end up using your own type of delay. So I got the session here. If we scroll down, it's not a large session. That's a 2-track. You got your lead vocals, your hook, and that's it. But what I want to focus on, this part right here. When I got this from the studio, this certain part, they were going for that phone effect. And honestly, it didn't work too well. For me anyway. So let me show it to you guys. So right now we're going to listen to the mix that I got from the studio.
Mijo, no le des mente a tu tiempo en la calle, las noches tardes.
It sounds okay, but I wanted to try something different. So we're going to listen to my mix now.
Mijo, no le des mente a tu tiempo en la calle, las noches tardes. Mijo, no le des mente a tu tiempo en la calle, las noches tardes.
So I have a reverb and 2 delays. As I said earlier, the settings are not important, but if we scroll down, let's talk about the track itself. I have this SSL channel strip, I have the CLA 76, and I have a de-esser. And in the sends, I have a reverb and 2 delays. Now the delays, I'm messing with the pan. They're not completely hard left and hard right, but it's working. I'm gonna mute the 2-track.
Mijo, no le des mente a tu tiempo en la calle, las noches tardes.
I'm using the stock delays that came with Pro Tools. So if we scroll up,
Mijo, no le des mente a tu tiempo en la calle.
this is the reverb, the left delay, right delay. And that's how I'm getting that effect. When I got this session from the studio, had tons of reverb, tons of EQ, and a lot of compression. So I got rid of all that stuff and I started adding my own effects. So experiment. Don't be afraid to try things. So if you're working with somebody else's track, don't be afraid to experiment. The only thing that can happen, they'll tell you they don't like it. And I know it sucks, but as far as this track, I printed the mix, I sent it off, and I got nothing but good feedback. So I hope you got something out of this video. If you have any questions, post at the bottom. Check the description. If you want to get a hold of me, my contact information will be there.